Okay, so friends, I am Dr. Heena, and for the Olympiad grade 2, today we are going to learn about the concept of comparison. Okay, comparison means uh, speaking about the common character, and we compare in between two objects or more than two objects. Okay, having same common feature, which is the common to both of them, and that feature is common to both of them, and then we just compare in between those two objects is known as comparison. We can compare in between more than two objects also, or in between two objects. Okay, while talking about the numbers, we can compare two numbers, which is smaller, which is larger. The larger number is always shown with the sign like this, means these two arrows are facing towards the larger side, and this vertex point or point of the angle is facing towards the smaller side or smaller number. Okay, so here we just compare in between two numbers, or we compare in between the images, which is taller image, which is shorter image. Okay, means in the comparison we compare the things in respect of their size, their height, their we compare in between the numbers. Now see, if more digits are there in the number, then the number which is greater we have to find. So how we are going to find it? I already told you that extreme left digit we think of first. If that extreme left digit is, which digit is, or in which number that digit is bigger, we have to first check it. If those two digits are same, then move to the next digit. Okay, so in this way we can compare in between, or we can find which number is greater than the other. When we solve the practice exercise, I will explain you. Okay, now we'll directly solve the practice sum. Now see, our very first example is which one of the following is incorrect in the given option. Now 25 is, this is the greater side arrow, 25 is greater than 6. Now see, it is true because 6 is smaller and 25 is greater number. So this statement is correct, but we have to find the incorrect statement. Okay, 27 is greater than 8. Yes, again this statement is also correct. 9 is lesser than 21. Yes, bigger sign is towards the 21 only. So this one also correct. So both all three A, B, C are correct. Now moving to D. 9 is greater than 21. No, it's incorrect. So your answer is option D. Okay. Now if like this condition is there, 21 and 25. In these two number we have to compare. So what I told you, first have a look on extreme left digit of both number. Now which is the extreme left digit of both number? So for 21 the extreme left digit is 2, and for 25 also extreme left digit is 2. Both the numbers are same. So we have to move our attention to next digit which is right to that, this one. So on the right of 2 in the 21 there is digit 1, and here digit 5. So 1 is smaller than 5, or 5 is greater than 1. So this number is greater than 21. So 25 is greater than 21. Like this you have to compare. Okay. Now 35 hours is greater than. Now 35 hour is greater than 101 hour. 105 hour, 5 hours, or 110 hours. Now 35 should be greater, so the number of hours which are going to be compared with 35 should be lesser than 35. And in this example, only 5 hours are lesser than 35. So your answer is 5 hours is smaller than 35 or 35 hours is greater than 5 hours. 45 meter is smaller than 125 meter, 8 meter, 9 meter, 7 meter. Now see, 45 meter here is smaller. So the number which is compared with this 45 should be greater than 45. So here only one option is there where number 4 is greater than 45, which is 125. So your answer is 125 meter. Now if in the example, if question is asked like this, ki 45 meter is smaller than 500 centimeter, 9 meter, 300 centimeter. Now if these three objectives are there and we have to find that 4 meter is smaller than which one of the following. So you first must know that conversion of meter into the centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now 4 meter means 400 centimeter. So 400 centimeter should be smaller with what? So see, 9 meter, with 9 meter also it is smaller, and with 500 centimeter also it is smaller, but it is just for the knowledge. So here are two options, but in the exam maybe one of the four is your answer, but you must know this conversion. Ki meter to centimeter conversion you must know. Okay, now pick up the true statement from the following. 35 rupees is less than 15 rupees. Now see, 35 rupees is less than 15 rupees. Is it so? Yes, 35 rupees is less than 15 rupees. No, 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 not so. Because 35 is greater number than 15. So 35 rupees is greater than or more than 15 rupees. So this is wrong. 35 rupees is less than 5 rupees. This is also wrong because 5 rupees is small. 35 is great or big or more. 35 rupees is less than 20 rupees. No, this one also wrong. 35 rupees is less than 50 rupees. Yes. 35 less than 50. Correct. So this one is the correct statement. Statement D. Now the next one. 9 seconds is less than which one of the following option? So see, the given options are in the second, so you can find that 9 seconds is less than which one of the following. The option which is greater than 9 is the answer. Identify which one of the following is correct. 4 triangle are greater than 2 triangle, it is correct. 5 circle is less than 4 circle, no, it's wrong. This is correct. But I need to check all the options because sometimes in the option there is option like A and B both are correct, A and B both are wrong. So we have to look, or we have to take a look on each of the answer. 1 2 3 4 flower is greater than 1 2 3 4 5 flowers. This is also wrong. 2 cups are greater than 4 cups, wrong. And is there any option? None of these, no. So your answer is answer A, which is 4 is greater than 2. So this comparison is based on images. Now again you have to pick up the true statement. You can pick up because everything is both the sides are given in minute only, so you can easily find the answer. So this one is for homework and the fifth one is also for homework. 90 paisa is less than dash dash paise. Again paise same unit is used, so you can do it. So this ninth also is it also is for homework. Now which one of the following option is correct? You can find which one is correct here. Okay, so this one is also for the homework. Which one of the following option is greater than 25? The number which is greater than 25 is your answer. So answer A, 102 is the answer. So I hope you all understand about the comparison. We just have to compare in between the two numbers which one is greater. We have to show the greater number with two arrows pointed towards it, and the vertex or the point which is joining that angle is facing towards the small side or less side. Okay, in terms of number, when we compare between the numbers who have more than two or three two digit, or which is three digit number. So while comparing three digit number, if suppose the number is like 256 and 321, we have to compare, and 405 and 482 we have to, or 450, if we have to compare. How we are going to compare it? First, look at extreme left digit of both number. Now in these two digit, extreme left digit is 2 in this number 256 and 3 in the number 321. Now looking at extreme left digit, which digit is greater, that number is greater. Simple. So in this 3 is greater than 2, so this 321 is greater than 256. Now we are not going ahead, or we are not thinking of other digit in that number. Okay. Now if so, 405 and 540 is the numbers given which we have to compare. So extreme left digit are common, which is 4. Now move to the next digit. So here is the 0 and here is 5. So which one is greater? 5 is greater. So 450 is greater than 40. If these two digits are also same, then move to the next digit. Which one is greater? That is the greater number. Okay. So like this you can find the greater number among 2 or among 3. Okay. So this is nothing but the chapter comparison. So here we will stop, and the next topic we'll take in the next class. Till then you revise the lectures given uh, or taken already, and subscribe to my channel for more updates and further videos.